big hi to all the viewers of India Glitz because I loved his films and I love his comic timing. Very happy on set, keeps the environment very light. The body language చాలా different గా ఉంది. He is such a nice person. He is such a grounded person. Close to me and equally important for me. I'd love to work with Pavan Kalyan garu.
Very beautiful
Really? I don't know. A big hi to all the viewers of India Glitz. Well, talking about my upcoming film Lokyum ఒక మంచి కామెడీ కమర్షియల్ కామెడీ ఎంటర్టైనర్. ఈ మూవీలో నా క్యారెక్టర్ పేరు చంద్రకళ ఒక డాన్ సిస్టర్. సో నా క్యారెక్టర్ చాలా యారోగెంట్గా ఉంది. ఐ డ్రాగ్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్. ద బాడీ లాంగ్వేజ్ చాలా డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంది, కొంచెం టాంబాయ్ లాగా ఉంది. సో ఇనీషియలీ ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్లో సో ఇట్ వాజ్ అ వెరీ డిఫరెంట్ క్యారెక్టర్ టు ప్లే అండ్ ఐఎమ్ రియలీ ఎక్సైటెడ్ టు సీ హౌ ఇట్స్ షేప్డ్ అప్. ద ఫిల్మ్ హ్యాస్ ఆల్ ద ఎలిమెంట్స్. దీంట్లో రొమాన్స్ ఉంది, యాక్షన్ ఉంది, సాంగ్స్ ఉంది, సబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంది. మెయిన్ మ్యాటర్ ఏంటంటే సబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంది. సో ఒక ప్రాపర్ ప్యాకేజ్ ఈ మూవీ ఉంది. అండ్ ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ టు ప్లీజ్ కమ్ అండ్ వాచ్ ద ఫిల్మ్ అండ్ ప్లీజ్ సపోర్ట్ అస్. Well, this team has become like a family. First of all, about the director Srivasu sir, firstly I'd like to thank him for believing in me and thinking that I'll be able to pull off the character of Chandrakala. One thing I have to say that Srivasu sir has a lot of clarity of what he wants, and out of all his actors, be it me or the hero or Brahmanandam garu, whoever, so he knows what he wants, and I think that's very important in a director. So thank you so much, sir, for making the experience very good. Talking about my co-star Gopichand garu, it was lovely working with him. He's such a senior actor and I never felt like that. He is very supportive and very 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 happy on set, keeps the environment very light. So there was a lot of learning, and I'm thankful to him again for making the journey so smooth. Well, working with Brahmanand, this is the first time I worked with Brahmanandam garu, and I was really looking forward to him because I loved his films and I love his comic timing. And he has a very natural way of performing, and he's a very different person. He's not a person with a lot of who's always laughing and then comes on camera. So he's a very serious person, and it's really lovely to see within a second he changes his personality and he's completely giggly. So there's so much to learn from him. His comic timing, his spontaneity, it's just out of the world. మ్యూజిక్ గురించి అనూప్ ఈ మూవీలో మ్యూజిక్ చేశారు, అనూప్ రూబెన్స్. అండ్ నాకు అనూప్ మ్యూజిక్ చాలా ఇష్టం ఫ్రమ్ ever since I've heard Telugu music. So ఈ మూవీలో అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి సాంగ్స్లో. there is a dance number, there is a western dance number, romantic number, mass number, item song. So చాలా వేరియేషన్ ఇచ్చారు అనూప్, and I love the music myself, my favorite song being Sudu Sudu. So if you haven't heard the music yet, please go and listen to it. Right. How am I balancing? I just love shooting every day, and every project of mine is equally close to me and equally important for me. So it's not difficult. I just love my job so much that I haven't realized that the year is coming to an end. Really? I don't know. I just feel good that I'm doing a lot of films. I'm a person who likes to go on set every day. It has to be like an everyday routine with me. If I'm not shooting for 4-5 days straight, I start panicking. So for me, it's just a happy mode, and I hope that the response of all these films also becomes positive. Very nice, very nice. All my co-stars, thankfully I've been blessed with all great co-stars, and I have a great equation with all of them. So it's fun, yes. I'm really excited and I'm really thankful to Surendra Reddy sir that I'm a part of Kick 2. Really excited about the film. And Kick was a big hit here and even in Hindi. And even though this was, we'd been in talks since February, it's just been announced now because of various reasons. So, yeah. My list is long. It depends on who wants to work with me. But I would like to work with everybody. Whoever, like, there's a long list of directors. I would love to work with Rajamouli sir. I'd love to work with Krishnavamsi sir. And I'd love to work with Puri sir, Puri Jagannath. And also in Heroes, I'd love to work with Pavan Kalyan Garu, Mahesh Babu, Allu Arjun. Many. Long list. About my next film in Hindi, it's called Shimla Mirchi. Shimla Mirchi is being directed by Ramesh Sippy ji, who is a legendary director. He's directed some of the best films, Sita Aur Geeta, Sholay, Shan. And I'm really looking forward to starting work with him because in the workshops I realized how many details he gets into, like minor details, which we wouldn't even think. So I'm looking forward to working with him. Hema ji is playing my mom, so a lot of legends in the movie. Living legends, as I call them. So it's a dream to be working with the dream girl and with the legendary director. Dream role, I don't know. I don't have a pinpointed dream role, but I definitely know that in my entire career, I would love to do one film which leaves an impression on the minds of the audience, like how Anushka had an Arundhati, or Kajol has a DDLJ. Kareena has a Jab We Met. These are roles which become your roles for lifetime. I would just love to do one such film, and I think I'm successful. Yes. I believe in numbers, and my lucky numbers, I really try to sign my important things or take my important meetings on the numbers that equal or are 1 and 3. These are my 2 lucky numbers. And I avoid doing things on 8. Well, about my producer, I would just like to say that he is such a nice person. He is such a grounded person, and he has treated us like family. There was never anything that you didn't get on set. You ask for it and you have it before you have to ask for it again. So it was a pleasure working with you, sir, and I hope to be working with you again. సో ప్రేక్షకులందరికీ లాక్యూమ్ 26th సెప్టెంబర్కి రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. మీరు ప్లీజ్ సినిమా హాల్స్లో వెళ్ళండి, అక్కడ మూవీ చూడండి, పైరసీ చేయొద్దు. అండ్ ప్లీజ్ వాచ్ ద ఫిల్మ్, ప్లీజ్ లవ్ ఇట్. వీ పుట్ ఇన్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫర్ట్ అండ్ ఐమ్ షూర్ యూ గోనా లవ్ ద ఫిల్మ్ బికాజ్ ఇట్స్ అన్ అవుట్ అండ్ అవుట్ కామెడీ ఎంటర్టైనర్, and who doesn't like to laugh? So laugh it out.